Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Daniel Prime, and if you haven't seen my last upload on USDJPY breakdown, you should go see that and maybe learn one or few things. So on today's video, I'll be showing you, I'll be breaking down a trade I took earlier on GBP USD. So it's better to watch out for just complete this video, and maybe you learn one or two things on how to go about your trading. So going forward, I'm just gonna show you this is the fruition of the last trade, USDJPY, the recent trade we took here, a long, now came to fruition. So now we're going to break down our GBP USD trade we took earlier today. So let's try it out. So as you can see, this particular trade, we are going to check it out today, know how we got to this particular entry. And as you can see, it's a sniper entry. So nothing much, nothing less. It's a sniper entry. So let's check it out. Firstly, we have to hide it, and delete all these possibly. So go. As you know from the last video, we usually start from the weekly time frame to get our buyers and stuff. So firstly, mark out the levels. So mark out the levels and mark out the target. So today's target, this week's target has been hit, so no need for another entry here until we get another buyers. So mark out the levels, make sure it's all okay. So for this week, we know starting from here, the previous week, we know that this week rejected off of this key level right here and break structure below. So what we're going to do now is go down to the daily time frame and see what we can see. So looking at this, we have been in a downtrend after the rejection and all that. We can see that clearly. So what we have to do now is also do the same thing we did on the weekly. Mark out the key levels. So this is a key level right here, and this is also a key level right here, and another key level right here, another key level right here, which the market didn't do much. And we have this particular level, liquidity point right here, which is kind of the intraday target. So looking at this actual level right now, we want to see a rejection here. To drop to the downside, because maybe it's actually possible for price to come to this side, but since we have this strong level right here, we have to go down to the 4-hour to see what we can find down there. So let's go. So on the 4-hour, we still have that same level as a very, very strong level. Not only a strong level, but we also have kind of a failed QM, which is a Quasimodo reversal. We have it around here, so making this actual level a strong level with imbalance, broken with imbalance. So as you can see, it got broken with imbalance. So what we're going to do now is try to go down to the lower time frame to refine the level. So going down to the lower time frame to refine the level, we have this open close level at this point, at this particular price point. So having it is not enough, is not enough. So we have to make sure that we're not, trying to force trade or something like that, because we want to, because it's been in a downtrend and we want to sell as soon as possible. Moving, missing all this long drop. So we don't want to miss the next one, but we don't have to force it, right? So now we're going down to the 1 hour, same thing. And now that same thing, we see that this particular candle right here swept the previous candle. If you can see the level I'm trying to mark out now, swept the previous candle, and that's a possible Quasimodo right there. So now going down to the 30 minutes, there's no level there, but there's level here, a fresh key level right here, which is what we're going to use right now to be on our trade as an entry. Keep it right simple, give it 10 pip, give it 10 pip, give it 10 pip, give it 10 pip. Just let me just set it up. Okay, all right. You might hear some kind of noise. It's just the tabs on the screen, nothing much. So please do well to stick around. That wouldn't be a problem. If I get something better, I'll have to replace these, and so this is a take profit, general take profit. So but as of today, I took my profit at this level because I don't wanna be greedy. I've been in drawdown, so I wanted to get out of drawdown. Because of that, the previous trade I took, which I got taken out of, and some sort of that. So this is the level I took my profit from. I took my profit from this level that I marked out right here. So this is the actual trade, and I believe you learned something. So if you actually learn something, do well to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Not only that, you can place your thoughts in the comment section. Thank you for subscribing and liking and sharing. Just thank you.